Alright guys, welcome back to a new video of this series that we have in the channel, Day Trading Supply and Demand for a Living. Today I'm going to break down a gold trade that I took this morning that passed me this funded account of $50,000. I'm going to show it to you guys right here. As you guys can see, the balance $53,110. I had this account at 51,500, I believe it was, 51,400 and something, super close to 500. And I needed $1,500 win, so I took this gold trade in the morning, and then it literally gave me what I needed to finish the account. It was like a 1 to 2, or a little bit more. I just held onto I had the account at 3,000, a little bit more than 3,000, and then that's it. I just got out. So let's break it down really quick. So let's go back to the start of New York session. So when I came into New York, I see that gold was looking super bullish because we have been, like, if you guys see over here, gold last week was literally coming down. Massive drops on gold last week, and then we consolidating at the bottom, and then now we're starting to come back up and breaking literally highs right here. We broke these highs over here. It was creating a new higher high, then created a higher low during London, and then when I came into New York session, which is this blue zone right here, gold literally broke above these highs over here. Right there, it broke above the highs, so created a new higher high. So I was contemplating the market, and I was like, okay, maybe I can take this demand setup right here, which gold then invalidated. It came all the way back down here and tap the bottom of the zone. When it taps the bottom of the zone, I immediately delete it. No candle break, no entry. It became invalid. But I stay watching gold, and I'm only taking buys. I see that we retested the 13 EMA, and we literally rejected it very well. So then it literally went up once again. Went up on gold, closed above the previous highs, and created another higher high. Also higher than the previous structure that we had over here, of course, because it's a new higher high. And then this one left a new demand on gold with confluence of the 13 EMA. Look at how the 13 EMA was right there in the middle of the zone. Right there you go. So I waited for gold to come back. Next candle was a red candle that came back down, and then the next candle tapped the demand. Literally, gold went so deep inside this demand that I was like, okay, it's probably going to become invalid. But if I look at the 1 minute short, we had a 1 minute demand right here that gold literally just went to fill, with also gaps that we had in the market as well, like the gap, this gap right here on the 1 minute. What the hell? This gap on the 1 minute short from right there to right here, that is a gap in the market. All this zone right here was a gap on the 1 minute chart, which gold came back down, filled the gap, tapped the 1 minute demand, and literally started reversing after that. So it was literally perfect. I saw that on the 1 minute, and then I saw the 5 minute close with rejection. So I usually don't like it when we close candles inside the zone, but we're looking super bullish. All the EMAs are lined up exactly how I like it. 200 at the bottom, 50 in the middle, 13 at the top. We fill the gaps in the 1 minute. We tap the 1 minute demand. We rejected the 13 EMA and close above the 13 EMA. Everything is looking fine, and we just created a new higher high, major higher high, because we broke the previous major high that we had, and minor higher high right here on the 5 minute as well. So I was willing to take a chance if we ended up breaking this candle high. That was going to be my entry with my stop loss below that candle low right there. And then I was going to aim for that $3,000 mark. I just needed like $1,500 win to pass the funded account, and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to hold it, whatever it is. I can't tell you exactly where I closed. I don't know if it was a 1 to 2. I just closed when I saw 3,000 in my account. Boom, I ended up closing the trade, and that's how I got funded. And then next candle literally gave the candle break. It had some rejection. It literally went all the way. It broke the candle and came all the way back down. Let me see if I can show you in the 1 minute. Yeah, so literally, like, the candle high was like right here. It broke the candle and came all the way back down here. I was literally so close to being stopped out, but then it rejected another 1 minute demand that I saw over here and started coming back up. And then the 5 minute ended up closing bullish, as you guys can see over here. And then the next candle literally was a huge bullish candle to the upside, which I didn't close right here. I needed a little bit more. I think I ended up closing like in the next push, like in the middle of the next push is when I ended up closing. And then the rest was history. Literally pushed for a little bit more, it went for a little bit more. It went all the way over here, which was a 1 to 2.39. It was a massive trade. But only thing I needed was like right here, like a 1 to 1.5. That's the only thing that I needed to pass it from that account. And yeah, we took the profits, got out of the trade, went about my day, and now I'm just waiting for the credentials from Apex so I can have that funded account and we can try again on the challenge that we have over here, guys. So hopefully we can make things right with this one. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. That was the whole analysis. Gold after that reversed. We had a lot of news, but then it kept looking bullish for the rest of the day because the market was literally bullish today for gold. So, yep, that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. As always, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to put the notifications on so you don't miss any videos, guys. And I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Peace.